Page 5, Party Time. This has some interesting rhythms to it, but we'll work it out. It's 4 lines long, treble and bass clef, a 4/4 time now, so there's 4 counts in a measure. A quarter note still gets a count. We got quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. We can handle it, but they're getting a little jumbled up. I'm going to take both hands together because for the most part it's only one hand or the other playing. So the left hand starts with forefinger on the G here. That puts the hand in this position. The right hand starts with thumb on middle C, which is here. So you're in middle C position still, okay? And just count out carefully the rhythm. Quarter note gets 1 count, a half note gets 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you just hold the half notes out 2 counts, you're okay. And then you have whole notes at the bottom. The last 2 measures is the here. In the last measure, you have an E and a G in the right hand. So all 3 notes together. Try and get them down at the same time. I don't, but maybe you can. So work out the notes and the rhythms. Get rid of the hesitations. As far as the slurring goes, again, you pretty much connect everything. If you can find the phrasing, you can do that. And I think it's like each line, in this case, equals a phrase, a musical sentence. So you lift up at the end of the line before, just enough to take a breath. Lift up, taking a breath. Otherwise, connect everything. They're not giving you slurs over repeated notes. Don't know why. I mean, they could, but they're not. They're only giving you slurs pretty much when the note changes. And keep in mind, a slur is only telling you to connect the notes within the slur. Like in the second measure, connect those. Otherwise, you can do anything you want. Like in the first measure here, I could play staccato on the first note. Or whatever, because it doesn't say anything. I can do that's interpretation. It's interpreting the music. Get into it and you're experimenting and you're playing around with it. What can you do? Just connect the notes within the slurs. I'm suggesting you go ahead and just connect the whole musical sentence, which is each line is a musical sentence. And then lift up between the lines, between the sentences, like taking a breath. As far as the dynamics go, it's loud, the whole thing. Whatever you think loud is, don't get carried away, loud. Then the speed, fast and fun, well, it's got to be accurate. And don't go too fast or have too much fun here. It's just fast and fun. Somewhere in there. And also remember the natural accents. I don't talk about them enough. The first beat of a measure is the strongest natural accent. We want 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And there's also another one on the third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not as strong, but it's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here we want that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. We want to feel that one all the way through. You have to take it at your speed. Don't copy me. I'm just having fun with it. It says fun, so okay. Let's play it together very slowly and double check that you have all the right notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. And slowly again. You should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four, 2, 3, 4, off. Now there is a duet for this at the bottom. I'd like to play that. And you play what we just played, only a lot faster. And I also need you to go up an octave again. So you just pretend the middle C goes up and is here. And instead of here, you're here. Play it up here. Now let's play it together. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.